welcome back to my channel. I hope I didn't scare you too much, you know what I'm saying. It's all about Spooktober, Spookify, and Spooktastic. We just going spook crazy right now, talking about spook this, spook that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I wanted to do something fun for you guys, do something sexy but also scary at the same time. So I wanted to do a sexy skeleton. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Do not leave this video without 1, liking this video, and 2, subscribing to my channel and hitting that post notification so that anytime I upload a video, you will be the first. Let's get started with this tutorial.
See you praying on it. You did. I see you ain't on the problem. Mic check, 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 check. You wherever my check.
Okay guys, so let's get started. So I'm taking my Wet n Wild gel eyeliner in Carbon My Reach, and I'm applying this onto the lid. So I'm using this as a base because we are using black onto the lid. We want something that the eyeshadow will stick to and also get as much pigmentation as possible. Okay, so now I am just blending out the edges. This gel eyeliner dries so quickly, so I had to move really quick with this. So once I applied the base, then I blended out the edges because we don't want to have a harsh edge. So we had to blend that out so that the eye looks booming. Now going into my Urban Decay Gwen Stefani palette, I'm taking Blackout. I found that this was the blackest black out of all my palettes, so I wanted to use this one. So I'm applying this to everywhere that has the base color. And right now I am just blending out the edges because we don't want a harsh edge. So I'm just blending that out right now. Okay, so now I'm going to try to explain this to the best of my ability. So I am taking the black color and I'm bringing it more into my nose because we're trying to make our eyes look really wide and open and dead looking. So I'm just bringing it more into my tear duct and into my nose. Okay guys, it is highlight time, the best part. I'm just joking. So I am taking my Maybelline Master Conceal concealer and I'm using a very pale light concealer because we want our face to look like we're dead. So I am just applying this on my cheeks. It's gonna go on my chin, my nose, and my forehead, and I am using 40 medium. Now I'm taking NYX's eyeshadow base in white and I'm just applying this on top of the concealer because we just want our face to look way lighter than it's supposed to because we are trying to get a dead look. So I feel like adding the white will just it will take it to the next level. It just gives it a good touch, makes it look more pale than it's supposed to. So I'm loving it, so that's why I am adding it and blending it out. Okay guys, so going in with Blackout, I'm taking this and I'm applying it onto the waterline, but what we're doing is instead of making a thin line on the bottom of our waterline, we're making it a little bit thicker to make our eyes look a lot fuller. Going in with MAC's eyeshadow in Brown Script, I'm taking that and I'm just blending out the edges of the black because we want to add some dimension to the black color that we're adding to the face. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just blending out the edges with the brown color. Using Brown Script again, I am just blending out the top part of my eye just to get rid of the harshness from the black. Now this is the hardest part, but I'm gonna walk you through it. So what I'm doing right now is I am stenciling out a nose. I am making me a black nose. So I'm drawing it out using my Wet n Wild pencil.
When we go to sleep, the teddy bears are here to play. If you don't come play with us.
Using that same Wet n Wild gel eyeliner, now we're just filling in the empty spaces that we did not fill in with the pencil to fill in to make our skeleton nose. Now, using the same pencil, we're just drawing lines on the side of our nose to make it look like bones. Our bones are sticking out. All about adding depth, and depth to the face is very important because we want to make our look be realistic. So we're just taking that color and we're adding it on top of the nose. Everywhere we added the fake bones, the fake lines. Now taking Sketch, I'm gonna use this as my bronzer. This blush is so dark, like it is so dark, I can't use it for anything. So I said, okay, this is my first time using it, I'm gonna use it as my contour, and it did such a great job. I think it was perfect for this look. So I'm just taking it and contouring my face. Add more dimension to my face, I'm gonna go back into the Urban Decay palette, the Gwen Stefani palette, and I'm gonna take out black out. I'm going to take black out and I'm going to add this on top of the contour. This part is so easy, guys. I'm telling you, it's so simple. So right now I'm making the skeleton smile, that famous skeleton smile, and I'm just drawing lines from the side of my mouth to create the teeth. It is so easy. We're gonna go across and then we're gonna go down our lips. Okay guys, so this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms. I will see you guys in the next upload. Bye. Recipes to Bon Scott. Close that door, we blowing smoke. She asked me light a fire like a moth.